Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken and watch them feathers fly. Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, break out the butter and the flour, we're ready to fry.
My dog Pete's the smallest dog of all the dogs in my yard.
That's right.
He's a mean sumbitch, drinks beaming water from a broken mason jar.
And we sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken and watch them feathers fly. Sick 'em on a chicken, sick 'em on a chicken, break out the butter and the flour, we're ready to fry.
I heard this awful noise coming out of the woods.
Coming out of the wood.
I heard chicken screams, knew it wasn't gonna be good.
I think we lost a chicken, I think we lost a chicken, I think we lost a chicken cause I just heard her cry. I think we lost a chicken, I think we lost a chicken, but you can get another one for $1.79.
Over a couple of years his spurs had grown and he wasn't safe to keep around the home, and he almost took an eyeball from Lonnie's son. And I was in the kitchen making fig preserves and I heard that young'un get kicked in the face, and I knew it was the day that that rooster's gonna get what he deserves.
So I chased the chicken, I chased the chicken, I chased the chicken and Pete hit him from the side. I chased the chicken, I chased the chicken, me and Pete suppered on a homemade chicken pot pie.